Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add stock in Zoho Books. So first head over to books.zoho.com and from here make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on items. Then start by clicking on the three dot icon that is named more actions. Then click on preferences. So from here, just scroll down and make sure that you check or enable inventory tracking, edit or customize inventory start date. Then once done, just click on save. So from here, we're just going to close settings, then proceed by clicking on new or create new item. And from here, just fill in all the details regarding the item. Fill out all the required fields, especially the name, selling price, account, cost price, and choose the account. Next, just scroll down and make sure that you enable track inventory for this item and start by filling out inventory account. So we're just going to set inventory asset and also inventory valuation method. And this is where you can add stock to this specific product. Say, for example, we're going to add 50 and also add in opening stock rate per unit. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!